In this video, we'll take a look at the two math systems that are represented by the math module and the sympy module. Moving on to the next slide, let's consider these two lines of code. They import the sympy and the math module. This line uses the math square root to find the square root of 9, and the result is assigned to result 1. This square root belongs to the math module that was imported here, and you can see we're asking it to find the square root of 9, which is then assigned to result 1. The next program statement prints result 1 and also the type of result 1. The next program statement uses the sympy square root to find the square root of 9. Now this square root belongs to the sympy module that was imported here, and you can see that this will find the square root of 9 and assign it to result 2. The next program statement will print result 2 and the type of result 2. The runtime of this program has just floated into view. This program statement is responsible for this output of the runtime, and you can see result 1 is placed here as 3.0, which is a float in Python, and what this does is output the type of result 1. And of course, in Python, all types are based on a class, so you can see here that it's telling us it is of type class float. Now, in mathematics, the square root of 9 is 3, because 3 times 3 is 9, and clearly 3 is an integer. But the Python programming language decides to output here 3.0 as type float. Now that is because this square root, which belongs to the math module, will always return a float. So even though the square root of 9 is 3, it'll treat it as a float, hence it puts 3.0 here. This program statement is responsible for this output, and you can see that result 2 has placed here 3, not 3.0, but 3. And the type of this 3, we can see, is a class that belongs to sympy, and we can see it is of type integer, but it's the integer as defined in the sympy module, which was imported here, and this program statement we can see is the square root of 9, which belongs to the sympy module, with this result being assigned to result 2, and here when we print the type of result 2, we get this. And of course you can see the type of this 3, which is this, is completely different to the type of this 3.0, which is this here. This is a type used by the maths module, and this is a type of a class that is defined in the sympy module. There are two number systems at play here. Result 1 is 3.0, which is a type based on the float class. Result 2 is 3, which is based on a class of the sympy module, and that class is the integer class.